Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can renew your Amazon Prime Video subscription, so let's get right into it. Now, you can do this in two ways. You can renew it through Amazon Prime Video itself, or you can renew your Amazon Prime subscription on the Amazon website, and you can go ahead and go into manage your membership on Amazon Prime or on the Amazon website and modify if you want to extend it or not, depending on any upcoming changes to the price or anything of the sort. But on Amazon Prime Video, it is a bit easier since the Prime Video subscription is a monthly subscription, or even you have an annual plan, but it is up to you to choose what you want. But to renew it, you pretty much don't have to do anything. It'll automatically renew once you enter a payment method. And if I go into my account and go into account and settings, as you can see, I have my details here, and I have my subscription or membership details here. As you can see, my next charge for a month of Prime Video will be on the 20th of July, and the payment method is set up. Now, if it wasn't set up, I would have to set up a new one. But if you do have a credit card or payment plan set up, all you need to do literally is just have it set up, and it'll just withdraw money from your card on a monthly basis. Now, of course, if you don't have any money on your card, you will need to manually renew it by, well, getting some money on your card and then just going to the site and editing everything and confirming that you want to pay again. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.